Hey everyone. So today we're going to count together after you watch your YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to put my little mouse on each number and we're going to count and then we're going to each find the number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. So now, like we used to do in class, I'm going to go around and ask you to find a number. So you are going to point to the screen, or if you have a communication device, you're going to press it on the screen and on your communication device, okay? Can you find the number 2? Good job. This is number 2. Can you find the number 10? Good job. Here's number 10. Okay, we're going to do one more. Where's the number 20? Good, right here. Now, parents, what you can do is you can continue asking your child a specific number. If they don't know it, you could gesture to the number. After this, you're going to listen to me read a story. And then you're going to go into boom cards. And you're going to, sorry, that's the wrong one. Boom cards, sorry. You're going to complete this activity, okay? So we're going to do one or two of them together. How many monsters do you see? Okay, we're going to count the monsters. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. Is this the number 3? Let's try. No. Okay, so we have to try again. Let's see. We're looking for number 3. Good job. That's number 3. And then it'll move you right to the next one. Sorry, I'm just looking for... Okay. Okay, there you go. We're back on track. How many orange stars do you see? Let's count. You're going to use your pointer and you're going to touch the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find 4. Okay, and then you're going to do the next few. Okay, if you need to come back to it, you could take a break and you could come back to it. Okay.